Now let's calculate median of the grouped data. So here we have to calculate the median of the group data. The formula of median of the group data is, this is the formula, L plus n by 2 minus f, this is capital, minus f capital, then divided by small f, and then minus c. In fact, this is not minus, it is wrongly written, it's multiply c. So this is the formula of the median of group data. Now what are these things? L stand for lower limit of the median class, lower limit of the median class, and n is the total number of frequencies. N is the total number of frequencies. F is the frequency of the median class, and capital F is the cumulative frequency of the previous class. So all these things may be difficult at this point. It will be very easy. You will understand easily when I will solve one question. And C is the width of the class interval. Now let's go and check example. So take uh, take these things. Let me delete this one. So this is the data. Here the data says 0 to 8 is the range group. 0 to 8 all are in thousand. 0 rupees to 8,000 rupees of allowances, travel allowances. How many salesperson availed? 7%. So there is a company who is allowing allowances to their employee. So in a particular month, suppose allowances taken by employee is 7. What is the allowances? 0 to 8,000. And in this way, second group is 8 to 10,000, 10 to 12,000. In that way, we have group. So these are the amount: 8,000, 10,000, 12,000, 14,000, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, and more than 24. This is more than 24. Here we have uh, 0 to 28,000 or less than 8,000. So it started from less than 8,000 and end at more than 24,000. And this is the these are the number of employees. Means 7, 5, 10. 10 employees got travel allowances up to 10,000 to 12, less than 12,000. Now what we have to do? We have to calculate the median. So for calculating median, you have to first calculate the cumulative frequency. Means here 7, next will be 7 plus 5, next will be all together 7 plus 5 plus 10. So in every cell, previous you have to add, that is called cumulative. So here 7, here we will add 7, and here 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5, here 7 plus 5 plus 10, here 7 plus 5 plus 10 plus 15. So this is the way to calculate the cumulative frequency. In Excel, we can use formula. We can use the calculation formula. First is the 7, second is equal to the previous one 7, then plus, and this cell. So now it is easy here, we can drag. So we calculated. So these are the frequency, means cumulative frequency. You can check anyone, like check here. 20 plus 15 is 35 plus 10, 45 plus 5, 50 plus 7, 57. Go to the formula. L. L is the lower limit of median class, and then n by 2, then F frequency. This is the formula. So let's use this formula to calculate here. Tell me what is median here, as if you will try to calculate the median of among these, what will be the median? So among these, suppose among these, if you will try to calculate median, what will be the median? It is easy. See, the cumulative frequency is 150. So what you have to do, 150 divided by 2 is equal to 75. So now where the 75 will lie? 75 will lie in this cell. Here the 75 will lie. Up to this cell, it is 57. So 50, and after that it is 58. So 75 lies in this cell. Here, in this group, 75 lies. Correct na? You just tell me whether it is clear or not. We are checking median, mid. So mid, to check the mid, what we did, I taken the total cumulative frequency is 150. So 150 by divided by 2 is 75. So 75 is the midpoint that we calculate. Where is the 75? 75 is in 16 to 18, because up to 16 total 57 are there. Up to 57 is in this block. In this block up to 57. After this block, 58, 59 will come under this block. So it is 82, means 75 will come under this block. So that is clear. As per the formula, here is the formula. L. L is the lower limit of this block. Lower limit of this block means L is, as L is equal to 16. This is the lower limit of this block. And then what is F? Anyone can say what is F? F is the frequency of the median class. What is the frequency? 25. This is the frequency. So F is 25. Then next is capital F. What is capital F? Capital F is the cumulative frequency of the previous group, previous class. So cumulative frequency, here is the cumulative frequency. This is the capital F, means 57. Then next is what? C. What is C? C is the width. C is the width of this class. So 16, 18, 17, 18 means 2. 2 is the C. So now we have all the thing. We have all the thing to calculate our median. Here is the formula. So as per the formula, L is, let's take a number. L means 16 plus n by 2. Total number of frequency divided by 2, 150 by 2. So 150 by 2 minus then capital F, that is 57, then small f means 25, then multiply by 2. So this is our if we will calculate this thing, then what we will get? Median. So I will use the formula here, formula bar. So is equal to L is 16, take here 16 plus under bracket n is equal to 150 divided by 150 divided by 2 minus f is equal to 57. So here also one more bracket to close, when 57 divided by f is small f is 25, and then overall what will be the result? Multiply by c. What will be the result? You have to multiply by c, and c is 2. So 17.44 is the median. Number of salesperson is here 257. What is the median? 17.44. 17,000, take it as a approximate, is taken by the employee. Before that, number of employees equal, and after that number of employees equal. So total 150 employee na, those who are getting 17,000. So after 17,000, suppose total 75 employees are there, and before 17,000, 75 employees are there. So 75 employees got travel allowances less than 17,000, and 75 employee got travel allowances more than 17,000. So this is the thing. Is it clear?